International finance is the heartbeat of the global economy. From multinational companies to governments, it's the bridge that connects financial transactions across borders. But what exactly makes international finance so critical? And what are its goals? Let's dive in. International finance, also called international macroeconomics, deals with the flow of money across countries. It involves managing exchange rates, foreign investments, global trade, and the financial systems that link nations together. Think of it as the financial network that makes globalization possible, allowing businesses and governments to operate across borders seamlessly. Let's explore the key features of international finance. 1. Foreign exchange market. The foreign exchange market, or Forex, is where currencies are traded. This market ensures that currencies can be converted, enabling international trade and investment. 2. Global investment opportunities. It allows investors to diversify their portfolios by exploring opportunities in different countries, reducing risks associated with relying on one economy. 3. Currency risk management. Businesses and investors use financial tools like hedging to protect against fluctuations in currency values, ensuring stability in transactions. 4. Cross-border transactions. From trade payments to remittances, international finance facilitates money movement across countries efficiently. 5. International financial institutions. Organizations like the International Monetary Fund, IMF, and the World Bank provide funding and maintain financial stability on a global scale. The goals of international finance aren't just about money. They're about fostering global economic growth and stability. 1. Promoting global trade. It ensures smooth financial transactions between exporters and importers, supporting international trade growth. 2. Economic growth. By providing access to foreign capital, it helps countries develop industries and infrastructure. 3. Monetary stability. International finance strives to stabilize exchange rates and manage inflation, promoting global economic confidence. 4. Wealth distribution. It aims to reduce disparities between nations by encouraging investments in developing countries. 5. Crisis management. In times of global economic downturns, international finance helps mitigate risks and provides a path to recovery. International finance impacts our daily lives, from the price of imported goods to job opportunities in multinational companies. It even drives sustainable development by funding global projects. Understanding its principles helps us appreciate the interconnected world we live in. In a world that's more connected than ever, international finance is the backbone of economic collaboration. Whether you're a student, entrepreneur, or policymaker, understanding its principles can open doors to new opportunities. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more knowledgeable videos.